Hello guys, I'm using trader.ai CoinPal website for trading, and I just wanted to show that one of the newest features they have added, which is really useful and really nice to have. Now, for example, I'm looking at Bitcoin chart, and in this position where it's right here, it looks actually the same as here before the spike upwards here. So basically, I'm I'm thinking, how could this feature be helpful? So right here we see a price of 9,900, which is nearly 3% higher, and right here we see a price of 10,100, which is nearly 5 to 6% higher. So what we can do now, knowing this, is we can create rules. And these rules are I will create a simulation trade because all my funds are in different trades right now. But these rules are, let's say I will use $400, let's say 25% of my simulation group's capital. And what we can do right now is we can create sell rules. We can of course buy lower, buy higher. We can set up a fixed target. We can set up just a trailing stop loss. We can set up buy and hold, but we can also create sell rules. Now remember, 9,800 was the first resistance line. Uh, I will change it to 9,780 just in case, and I'll use at the beginning 3% trailing stop loss. I know, let's say 1% trailing stop loss. And then I will change it to the same 1% trailing stop loss. I will change the stop loss itself to 970 just in case. And at that price, I want to sell 50% of my capital. Now let's add another rule. Remember 10,000? I will put 990. At that point, I don't want to sell anything. I just want to increase stop loss to 9,800 and use a shorter stop loss, which is basically the 0.5 trailing stop loss. What it means is when the price will reach this area, it will not sell anything. It will change to a different trailing stop loss, or some say trailing profit take, and it will change the stop loss default to 9,800. So, and then I can set a stop loss, but in a bull market I don't use stop loss at all. Yeah, I'll just go through it. And you know what? Let's say I'll sell 20%. Yes. So at this point, when I place a trade, what does it? It telegrams me automatically that a trade been placed. So at this point, uh, what will happen is, of course, there are chances for the price to go down as it did tonight to 9,200. But as I'm just looking at the patterns right here and repeating patterns overall, it should go higher to 9,800, for example. And so what we did is we set up rules. When it reached 9,800, it will sell half and change the trailing stop loss and change stop loss itself. And no matter what happens at 9,800, I will take profit. And some of that part will be sold instantly at 9,800. But if it continues to go up to 10,000, the system will automatically change it or sell it or change stop loss as I have set it up to be. So this is a really nice feature, because imagine yourself sometimes the prices go up and way down, like here. Imagine you place a trade in an ordinary exchange. You go to sleep and you wake up, the price is somewhere way below here, and you just slept for like 8 hours, and in those 8 hours, price moved up by nearly 5-6%, and then dropped down by 10%. So when you have set up rules, you know that this is a resistance area. Sell something there and change stop loss there, and you will not be affected by these moves in while you're asleep. So basically, you don't have to watch the monitor over and over and over again to make changes. You can do it. You can do it here. Really simple, really easy, and this is a really nice feature. Although there are another other features in this website which I'm using is signal groups. And signal groups are basically bots and users that post trades. But I'm following each of these groups, and there is a description about these bots, blah blah blah, and then there is statistics. And right here we can see how much trades each bot has made. And I'm following this bot, and in my scenario, I've taken last 20 trades, and no, they are exactly the same. Small percent, sometimes bigger, 1%, 1%, 1%, but it's accurate. I'm following it for like 10 days, and it's the same. So I'm thinking, how could they make a bot which makes 200% in a month? This is crazy. And and I'm following them on simulation mode right now, $20 per deal. So yeah, so a really nice feature. So and overall, this product is really nice, and it seems that they are adding features over and over again in time. So a really good software, and really nice to join. There's a Bollinger bot also with 120% a month. Let's check it. It has a little bit higher percent. Here you can see average profit on a deal is 1.14%. All right. 3.88%, almost 2%, 2%, almost 2, 3, almost 3. All right, so definitely average higher. Average high is a little bit higher. Average trade is a little bit higher, and you can see no red trades. So what I want to tell you is try out this software. A really nice software, and have a good day. So have a good day. So here on the top you can see trader.aicoinpal.com. Sign up and use it. A really nice software. I think it will definitely improve your trades.